The CIVIVI Brazen is a simple and functional knife with a tactical design, utilitarian drop-point blade, and secure ergonomic handle design. Its minimalist design makes it a stylish and functional tool with affordable performance. It is available in two distinct models, premium and regular. The premium version has micarta handle scales, black stainless steel liners, and a black hand-rubbed stainless Damascus blade, while the regular version comes with G10 handle scales, black stainless steel liners, and a stone-washed CIVIVI 14C2 8N stainless steel blade. The wide high saber-ground Damascus or stainless steel blade of the CIVIVI Brazen has a nearly full-length tapered swedge that ends in a classic drop point, providing excellent slicing and piercing performance. The fine tip is good for detail work while being robust enough for tactical use. A subtle choil offers easy sharpening, and the caged ceramic ball-bearing pivot delivers fast, smooth blade deployment using the index flipper tab or dual thumb studs. The skeletonized black stainless steel liners of the CIVIVI Brazen support rugged micarta or G10 handle scales with chamfered edges for a comfortable and contoured grip. The simple and ergonomic handles are comfortable and secure, with an index finger cutout that pairs with the flipper tab guard for added safety. The stainless steel liner lock is smooth, simple, and reliable to operate, with jimping for enhanced traction. The premium version of the CIVIVI Brazen is available in three colors: dark green micarta for CV C2102DS3 model, olive micarta for CV C2102DS2 model, and brown micarta for CV C2102DS1 model. All models have black stainless steel liners and a black hand-rubbed stainless Damascus blade, while for the regular version also available in three handle color: purple G10 handle scales for CVC2102A, burgundy G10 handle scales for CVC2102B, and black G10 handle scales for CVC2102C. All models also have black stainless steel liners and a stone-washed CIVIVI 14C28N stainless steel blade. Which CIVIVI Brazen model do you prefer for everyday carry? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.